Welcome back to Colossal Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. In this video we'll be talking about matrices. Now when we talk about matrix, in the last video I did the introduction to matrices. Now we are going to be talking about the addition of matrix in this video. When we talk about the addition of matrix, we already know that a matrix is the rectangular array of of numbers, right? Matrix is the rectangular array of numbers. So if I have arrangements, I get something. I have my arrangement as usual, but before that I said that there are rules for adding and subtracting revision, and this is what we want to review in this video. Now we said matrices of the same shape of row and column may be added and subtracted. That means the number one rule for adding or subtracting matrices is that they must have the same shape, they must have the same order. Let us say order. I get what I'm saying. That means you can do 2 by 2 plus a 2 by 2. I get what I'm saying now. You can only do 2 by 2 plus another 2 by 2. I get what I'm saying now. You cannot do 2 by 2 with 2 by 3. This is not possible. I get what I'm saying now. So this is what you are going to be noticing in everything that we want to do in today's class, and I'll be showing you how that is possible. I get what I'm saying. Now look at, I said matrix of the same shape, same number of row and column may be added by adding the corresponding element. So what we are doing here is row to row, column to column, row to row, column to column. Now let's look at this example 1. This is our example 1 here. I think that this is our example 1. So example 1 says A is 2 1. So our A, you can see A is 2 1 5 4, and then your B, so plus your B is 2 0 7 3. Are you seeing that now? So when you want to do your A plus B, your A plus B will be 2 plus 2 4, 1 plus 0 0. Are you seeing that now? Do you understand that? So that is the first thing. Then 5 plus 7 12, 4 plus 3 7. So that is what we are doing. So what we are doing is row to row, column to column, row to row, column to column. Are you seeing that now? All right. So that is how to do that. Are you seeing that now? Now let's look at the second example. This is the second example. We have A, which is what type of matrix is this? This is a 2 by 3 matrix. Are you seeing that now? This is also another 2 by 3 matrix. That means A and B can be added. A and B can be added. Very possible. Now, but look at C. C is 2 by 2. So that means I cannot do A plus B. I cannot do A plus C, and I cannot do B plus C or B minus C. Why? Because C is out for another dimension. Are you seeing that now? So the dimension is very, very important. So now let's see what we have here. Now you can see what I wrote there. I said note that A and B are the same shape, but C is 2 by 2. So we can do A plus B. We can do A plus B. Are you seeing that now? We can do A plus B. So if you look at our A plus B here now, because they are of the same shape, so that will be 3 plus 1. You can see 3 plus 1, 2 plus 0. Can you see 1 minus 1 plus 2? You can see it here. Then 1 plus 3, 5 plus 1 minus 4. Plus times minus. You can see the way I put it there too, so that you will clearly understand. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 0 is 2, minus 1 plus 2 is minus 1. I get what I'm saying now. Minus 1 plus 2 is minus 1. So we have the next one there. I explain that now. We have the next one. So we've been able to do this. This is 4, this is 2, this is 1, then this is 4 too, because 1 plus 3 is also 4. This is 5 plus 1 is 6, minus 4. Plus times minus is minus, so that's minus 4 minus 6. I think that minus 4 minus 6, that's what? I mean, minus 4 minus 2, that was minus 6. Do you understand that now? So that is what we are doing. Now we said, however, A plus C is not defined because what? They are of different shape. I get what I'm saying now. And you must also note this. Note that order of addition is the same as for real number. That means A plus B is the same thing as your what? As your B plus what? Plus A. So you should try this. So okay, let's try together. Let's try together. B plus A. B plus A means you are writing B first now. What's your B? Your B is 1, 0, 2, 3. So this is 3, 1 minus 2. And then our A now. Your A is 3, 2 minus 1. A is 3, 2 minus 1. Then 1, 5, 4. So let's do B plus A now. So that will give us what? 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, that's 4. 0 plus 2, that's 2. 2 plus minus 1, that's 1. Are you seeing that now? Then 3 plus 1, that's 4 2. 1 plus 5, this 6. Minus 2 plus. Okay, this one is minus 4 here. Like this one. So minus 2 plus minus 4. That will also give us minus 6. You can see that your answer here and this one, they are the same. Are you seeing that now? They are the same answer. Alright. So that is what we mean by this statement, that A plus B is the same thing as what? As B plus A. Alright. So now let's look at subtraction. Subtraction also have the same rule. So the same rule, what do I mean by the same rule? It must be of the same order. I get what I'm saying. Their order must be the same. So A minus B can be done. I get what I'm saying. So the same thing. 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 0, 2, minus 1 minus 2, minus 3. Are you seeing that now? Then 1 minus 3, minus 2. 5 minus 1, 4. Minus 4. Minus times minus plus. So this is minus 4 plus 2. That's minus 2. Do you understand that now? I'm sure you understand what I am trying to achieve there. Alright. So, but the same thing, you cannot do what? You cannot do A minus C, because C is having another shape. I think that now we want to consider B minus A. You know, when we did the first example on addition, we did A plus B and then B plus A, so that you can see that they are not the same. But here you must know that A plus B, A minus B rather, is not the same thing as what? As B minus what? Minus A. You must note that the same way that in addition 3 minus 2 is not the same thing as what? As 2 minus 3. That is why A minus B is not the same thing as what? As B minus A. So you can see the A minus B here. 1 minus 3 minus 2. 0 minus this minus 2. 2 minus 1. 2 minus minus 1, that's 3. 3 minus 1, that's 2. 1 minus 5, that's minus 4. Minus 2 minus minus 4, that's plus 2. You can see that they are not the same. But you can say that what? B minus A is the same thing as what? Minus A minus what? B. Are you seeing that now? Because if you multiply by that, you still have B minus A equal to minus times minus, minus times plus, minus times minus, minus A, minus times plus, plus what? B, which is the same thing as saying B minus A is equal to what? Rearrange B minus what? A. So that's why you can see that what? B minus A is the same thing as what? Minus A minus B. Minus A open bracket, minus open bracket A minus B. But I'm sure you understand what I'm trying to say there, alright? So these are things that we are going to do, alright? So now we are moving to another part, which is called scalar multiplication. When we talk about scalar multiplication, matrix can be multiplied by a number. When you hear the word scalar as a science and a math student, you should know that scalar just means number. Scalar means what? Number. So when I mean scalar multiplication, I mean if I'm told to find 2a. If I want to find 2a, 2a means 2 multiplied by. 2a means what? 2 multiplied by your matrix, what? Your matrix A. That means I'll use 2 to multiply all the elements in your what? In our matrix A. I get what I'm saying now? We'll use 2 to multiply all the elements in our what? In our matrix A. So let's look at this example. Look at this example now. We have A equal to 1, 2, 5, 4. And we have B equal to 2 minus 3, 0, minus 1. Then you want to do 5a. The first question is 5a. 5a means what? 5 multiplied by what? By a, which is 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 5, 5 times 4. And that gives us what? 5, 10, 25, 20. Are you seeing that now? That is it. Look at another example. Minus 2a. Minus 2a. If I want to do minus 2a, it means minus 2 multiplied by your what? By the value of a. So minus 2. A was your a. 1, 2, 5, 4. So that will just give us what? Minus 2 times 1, minus 2, minus 2 times 2, minus 4, minus 4, minus 2 times 5, minus 10, minus 2 times 4, minus 8. Are you seeing that now? So this is what we mean by that. Now, we said you should also note that what we can use scalar multiplication for addition and subtraction. We can use scalar multiplication for what? Addition and subtraction. So if you have a question like 5a minus 2b, you just need to multiply your what? Your matrix A with 5 and your matrix B with what? Minus 2. So look at it. Matrix 5a is 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 5, 5 times 4, which will give us 5, 5, 10, 25, 20. Are you seeing that now? And then for your B, minus 2 times 2. So you can see we drop the minus first. We drop the minus. We do not do anything with the what? With the minus. Are you seeing that now? You will not do anything with the sign there first. You just use the number. You just use the number. So 2 times 2, 4 times 2 times minus 3, minus 6. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times minus 1, minus 2. Are you seeing that now? Then now you want to now do the addition. You want to do the addition now. So let's do the addition together. You can see that the sign there, this sign here is what? Is minus. Are you seeing that now? The sign here is what? Is minus. So since that sign is minus, that means we have to use subtraction. So 5 minus 4. That's what you can see here. 10 minus minus 6. 25 minus 0. 20 minus minus 2. That will give us 1, 16, 25, 22. So this is what we have to understand under addition of scalar, subtraction, addition of matrix, subtraction of matrix, and scalar multiplication of what? Matrix. Alright, so you are to do this exercise. This is exercise 1. You have A, B, C, D, E. So you have to find the answers and give reason. So can you do A plus B? Can you do B plus A? Can you do C plus D? Can you do C plus E? So you have to find them if possible. Find them if possible, and if it's not possible, you can see the way I wrote mine here. Look at what I wrote here. I said, you can see what I wrote here, because I cannot do A minus C in our example. I said A minus C is not defined because A is 2 by 3, C is 2 by 2. So you have to also give your reasons for why they are not possible, if they are not possible. I get what I'm saying now. So these are the question. That's question 1. Then question 2. This is question 2. Are you seeing that now? This is your question 2. So your question 2 is you have to find, so you have your matrix already. So you have to do 2a plus b, 4d plus b if possible, 3c plus a, b plus 2d plus e, and then 3c minus a plus 2e. You can see that I have my answers there already, so I will not show you. You have to do your answer, put it in the comment section, submit to the right channel, right authority, and then we during our live section we'll have a discussion on that. Thank you very much for watching, and do have a great day. Right.